In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove the default clothing inside of Roblox. So first of all, go to roblox.com. This is my new account on Roblox. So it has default clothings. Go to the menu in the left side and click on avatar. And here you can see that my character is currently wearing. So first thing you need to do is to head over to recent and then deselect all the clothing that we want to remove from our avatar. Once removed, and then go to head and body and then skin tone. Now it is from this menu where we can create the illusion of our character wearing no clothes. So for example, in the skin tone, if I come down to this white selection over here, you can see now that it changed the whole skin tone of the avatar. And if we come down further into this advanced selection, we can select all the different body parts that we want to change. So just go ahead and select the color that you want to use for each of these body parts. And once you are finished, we can press done. And then by selecting a color, this will remove the default clothing like so. And it is as simple as that. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to Mac369 and hit a like.